Hi friends, in this video let us have a quick look into Samsung Galaxy M02s. This is the retail unit which I bought from Amazon India. The phone comes in two variants, 3GB RAM and 32GB storage and 4GB RAM and 64GB storage. The one I have here is 3GB RAM with 32GB of storage variant which is priced at INR 8,999. The other variant is priced at INR 9,999. This is the retail box. Opening the package, we have Galaxy M02s. Let me keep this aside for a minute and see what else we have in the box. We have the charger, USB-C to USB-A cable. Then we have the SIM ejector tool. On this side of the box, we have the manuals. This is the black color variant. It is available in blue and red variants as well. On the back, we have a triple camera setup. 13 megapixel primary camera, 2 megapixel depth sensor and 2 megapixel macro lens. The back is made up of plastic with this pattern. Here we have Samsung logo. On this side of the phone we have the volume and power keys. On the bottom we have the speaker grills, USB-C port, primary microphone and 3.5mm audio jack. On this side it has a SIM card slot. It supports dual SIM cards and a micro SD card. On the top it has secondary noise cancellation mic. Now let me power on the phone and set up the device. By the time setup is completed, here is the quick specification of Samsung Galaxy M02s. Now the setup is completed. The display is of 6.5 inch with HD plus resolution. It has a water drop type notch. It is a TFT LCD display. Out of the box we get around 20.3 GB of available storage. Coming to software, it runs on Android 10 with One UI version 2.5. The security patch update is 1st November 2020. Coming to camera interface, these are the options we have. We have live focus, photo, video, and if you opt for more, here we have Pro mode, panorama and macro mode. For video recording, it supports Full HD resolution on both front and back camera. For camera samples, please refer to my Instagram or Twitter profile. That's it for this video on quick unboxing of Samsung Galaxy M02s. If you have any questions, you can ask through comment section or through Twitter. Please hit the like button if you like this video.